ourselves explaining them again.
I guess we can just talk about them.
Okay. Because this week's been crazy.
Join the club.
And so I got most of it done except for question 5. I'll be honest.
Okay, I went and saw the tutor.
Okay.
And we were doing number 5 together. Yeah.
Oh, I need to write that down because I get lost a lot. Okay.
Are you here on campus?
Yeah, I'm here on campus. Yeah.
Yeah. Go and see him in person.
Okay.
If you can.
Yeah, I will make room in my schedule to go see him. Because, like, I understood this one pretty good until the 5th question, and then I was like, haha.
Yeah. So he and I were going over 5, and we answered the first 2 parts of it.
Okay.
The last 2 parts were really worded weirdly, so we weren't sure how to answer those.
Okay. Maybe we'll figure something out. I don't know.
Let's hope. Okay, let me pull it up real fast because I forgot to pull it up.
One way to find out.
Right. Wrong ones. Where is it? Okay, that's gonna be a pain in my butt. All right. But yeah, I mean, there's like 1 or 2 parts I'm like, I'm not sure if I did it right, but for the most part, I think I did okay.
Yeah, for the ones you do by yourself, practice. I get the names confused. The practice problems.
Mm-hmm.
I got all the right answers except for the linkage maps. I got those mixed up.
Oh wait, she put the answers up.
Yeah, she put when you submit the practice problems.
Uh-huh.
It pops up the practice problems key.
Really, I couldn't find it.
And look at it.
All right, well I'll have to check. I couldn't find it this time, but
yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna plug in my computer real quick. It's gonna die.
All right, go ahead. This isn't bothering you, is it?
Okay. Okay. Sorry about that.
No, you're fine. All right. I guess the key's not coming up for me. I'll email her.
Okay. That's rough. I'm sorry. I have it with me, so if we have any, we can go look at them.
Oh, I know why it was. It was because I thought it was due at 11:30 last night.
Oh.
Not 11. So, and I was at work up until 11.
Oh man.
So I emailed it to her. So, all right. Okay. Where am I? Okay. All right. So for number 1.
Okay.
Number 1A, I got A wild type MG over wild type R wild type.
I got that too.
Okay.
And for B, I got wild type MG over RGA wild type.
Okay, I did not get that one.
That's what I got.
I think that one, I don't know.
I wrote my wild types weird, but
yeah.
I got it.
No, it's I'm trying to think because I think like I did the first one wrong. That might be the one I'm like, but I'm pretty confident about like 3 and 4, but the first 2 I'm like, I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I'm gonna sneeze. On 3, when I did the whole double cross thingy that she did on our video.
Yeah.
That's the combination that I got that worked out. So.
Okay. Well, I'll probably go back and double check it again and see what I got.
Yeah.
All right. So then what did you get for your, because this part shouldn't, well, it might be different.
It might change a little bit, but I don't know.
What'd you get for your map then?
My map, I got RG ... 13.11 ... A dot 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 17.48 dot 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 mg.
Okay, so I got the right numbers. I just have them in the wrong order. So yeah, I think I did mine wrong. I'll go back and fix it.
I can show you how I did it because I could have done mine wrong too, but I don't know.
All right. Well, let me pull out my paper.
Okay.
All right. Haha, here it is. Okay. So we're in agreement on A. A is good.
Yes.
Okay. So then we have so we're comparing it to the 1 and the 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the 1 and the 1 are is A, R, and wild.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Oh, maybe that's where I went wrong. Okay. And then so the bottom one is wild, MG. And we need to get it to match. So we need it to match this.
Yeah. So after we get the arrangement of the heterozygous parent, so we know like which one's dominant, what wild type, and which one, however that is on that. Stupid.
Yeah.
Plus stupid. It's great. It's wonderful. So after we get those, then I just did the same. I'll just show you because it's harder to explain it.
Yeah.
But, like, can you see that?
Yeah,
Number
let me go back onto you. Okay. All right. Okay, so you have.
This is the original. This is the arrangement we got after we figured out which assortment of.
The assortment of alleles.
And then you're just swapping out the middle one until you figure out. Does that make sense? You rotate.
Yeah. Okay, I see where I messed up then.
And then those are just the combinations that you can get when you swap it up. And that was the ones that we needed for these up here.
Huh. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I walked when I was doing the practice problems, I walked through and I wrote down everything she did, and
Yeah.
that's what I got for that one. And then
that's about what I did. If you can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think I just did the flip wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just go back and fix that.
It's one thing I'm confused about how to make the linkage maps because that's the only thing I really got wrong on the practice things.
Yeah, I'm not sure like if it's like
which I don't know.
Like, okay, so if I flip the C's, does that mean it's the C to the B or B to the C or bleh?
Yeah. Because like I feel like when you're doing this thing down here, it's easier to show you. Step 5.
Yeah.
And so these ones two are the double crossover right here. And then down here you're doing the whole like thing, right?
Yeah.
My brain just went blank. And then that's when like the first one, step 5 is the like this one to that one, so the first to the middle comparison. And so I think that's usually the first one, and then the 6th, is this my 6 right here?
Okay.
And then that one is comparing these two alleles in the back.
Yeah, so that's what I put like when I was flipping the maybe the R. When I was flipping the R, and since it's right next to the A, I would make it, R ... 17 ...
Yeah. See, that's what I did too, and then it was like that's what I thought I was doing on the homework, but then it was flip-flopped.
Huh. Maybe I'll email. Probably should email you about that.
Can you just clarify how to get the linkage map? Because I got the right numbers, I just had the end ones swapped.
Yeah. No, that would be a good one to ask. Good question to ask her. All right. And what'd you get for D?
For D, I got 57.6-ish.
That's what I got too.
Really? Yeah, we might be doing something right.
Woo!
I hope so.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Fun one. Okay, so for A, I got wild type SV over SC, wild type, wild type.
Okay, I got that.
Okay, what'd you get for B?
For B, I got V, wild type S, wild type C, SC, wild type.
Wait.
I think.
Wait.
Yeah, the wild type's one with the pluses.
So, wait. Oh, hold on. I did a little mess up right here. That's why it looks so weird. Okay, so wait, you got.
So I got V, wild type S, wild type SC, wild type.
Wild type V, wild type S. Okay, so we're getting different orders for our things.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I got S, wild type SC, and then V. And then I got S wild type, SC, V wild type.
You got the same ones, but our S's and our V's are swapped again.
So wait, oh, well, he said that didn't matter. No, wait, yes, she did.
For this one, it does. Because on the top, we both have V and S and then wild type.
Uh-huh.
And then on the bottom, we both have wild type V and S and then normal SC.
Yeah, that's.
We have it swapped. I have my V's first and you have your S's first.
Well, didn't she say like.
I
guess that does matter.
Huh?
Huh. I wonder. Okay, so we want it to match the double crossover. So like, so you got your double crossovers.
Yeah.
You got your double crossovers. One section all wild and one section all normal, right?
Yeah. Let me double check real quick.
Okay. Sorry, you guys.
Yeah. So when I do my double cross thing, I'll just show you.
Okay.
A little crossy thing.
Kind of, it's a little blurry. Oh, scoot it down just a tiny bit more. Okay, so there's your parental, I see that. And so the bottom one is your allele arrangement.
Yeah, this is my trying to figure out the allele arrangement right here. So I tried the first one, didn't work. Then I tried that one, didn't work. Then I tried this one right here, and I was able to get the whole wild type and the whole. Does that make sense? When I did the double crossy line thingy.
Can you scoot it up just a little bit? Okay, so you got
it. Here, I'll move it up closer.
There you go. Okay, so I see. So here's your flip. That didn't work. So you put V first, SC. Okay, I see what you did there. What was
the out ones? The outer side may not matter as long as we have the same coming out. I think, is that what she said?
I can't remember because she said like at one point order didn't matter.
I think the one that matters is the one that's in the middle.
Yeah, because
maybe that's it. As long as we get the right numbers in between the certain on the map.
That may be it. Because like when we were switching them, like oh, this way doesn't work, this way doesn't work. Like we were changing the actual order. Like, oh, SC is in the middle. No, now Y is in the middle. No, S is in the middle.
We were just moving the middle one, but I don't think the ends really matter.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the ends don't matter. So maybe we are doing it right. We're just doing it in a weird way.
We're just both doing it backwards from each other.
Yeah. Wait, remember in the video she says, oh, she says, oh, but the answer key has it. I have it like this, but the answer key has it like this. Maybe that's what she's talking about.
So I probably did get them right on the answer key. Okay.
I'm still gonna email her. I'm gonna be like, okay, so is it okay, like, if this is as long as the middle's okay?
I think as long as we get the numbers in the correct, like, between the correct. Funny, but between the correct alleles, I think we'll be good on that one.
Yeah. Okay. So then
the more that makes sense to me. So.
All right. So what did you get in between your S and SC?
I got 33.
Okay, then
What'd you get?
I got 10, but I got 33 for the other one.
Dang it, because I got 10 for the other one.
Oh my. Okay, so we're doing something right. We're just one of us is right.
I just don't understand. Because I'm sure you're probably following through the steps as she did it on the video.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm following through the steps as she did on the video.
Yeah, that's why something's wrong. Well, what'd you get for your inference value?
27.3.
All right. Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I got. Okay, I think what we should do is after this video, we should pause it for just like a second and then go through the practice because I don't have the key. It's not showing up for me. So we should just go through and like see, what's going on.
Okay, sounds good. Okay.
All right. Number 3.
So number 3, I only got halfway through because I didn't know how to do the second half because there's not enough. I couldn't find it. Anyway, continue on. For step 5 and 6, I can only get step 5. Like I couldn't figure out step 6.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. So what did you get for A then?
For A, I got okay. So I got coal. Wait, I got coal body, wild type. I just gotta remember glassy, striped.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
And then for B, granted, we might have not had this in the same order again, but I got coal, wild type, GS.
I did it that way this time. Okay.
All right. And then so for C, I got C, G is not 1.9, and then G to S is 7.5.
Okay. So this is where I didn't go.
All right. Let me look at my work and see what I did. Okay.
Okay. Because like I went to go find the amount.
I see what you're saying. Like there wasn't enough.
There wasn't enough information to.
I just put them as 0.
As zeros.
0 because they weren't there. So I just put 0 plus 0 plus 8 and 11. Yeah, 8 and 11.
Okay.
So that's why I did the first one.
Okay. Because for the second cross, it would be C, wild type, S.
Saturday. Okay.
Right?
And yeah, it was C, wild type, S, and then wild type, G, wild type.
And there's none of those.
No.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Because I was like, I don't know what to do for that because I was like, she didn't mention anything like that in her video.
Yeah, I just guessed. I'm like, it's probably 0.
Okay. But I'm going to calculate that real quick. Sorry.
All right. Tell me what you get when you do that.
We got the same stuff.
Page 21 right now. What was it? Point?
So what did you get for the C to G?
86. But maybe I did that wrong. Hold on, let me double check. I might have done that wrong.
So 11 plus 8 is 19, plus 29 is something, plus 27 is, I got 75. And so that's divided by 1,000. That's 7.5, right?
75 for the inference value?
Oh no, for just the number of.
Oh, the other one, the 11 plus 8 plus 29. Okay, yeah, that's why I got 2.
Okay, I just was double checking. Okay, I'm almost to the inference value. 1 second. And I'll do 7 later. Okay. One day my brain will work at a normal level. You understand.
I understand. Very, very much in that same position. Let me know when you're doing that.
Okay. I don't know if you guys want to do it, but I mean, I guess that'll help with stress and whatnot, because psych is awful, and then I am Burton Guster in girl form.
Burton
Guster?
Praise. Did you hear that?
Yeah. I love it.
With it.
Hey, Keely. If you get a car, you have to get a blueberry.
Yeah, I know. I have a red car, so I call it my cranberry.
Oh, I can find the cranberry.
So cool.
Red.
All
Okay.
right.
I might just have to trust you with your whole thing. 1 second.
Actually, not
And
even
backwards.
the first step done.
So what did you get for your that value?
86.
Hmm.
I don't. I was like a little off about that because I felt like that was like too high of a number.
I got a negative number. So I didn't write it out. I was just trying to hurry. Let me write it out real quick and see. I think I figured it out. 1 second.
What if we can move
I think
that?
I did just 75 instead of 7.5 and 19 instead of 1.9.
Oh yeah, that.
Because whenever I
Makes a little bit of a difference.
run into that,
Just a little bit.
so you could trip over this instead. Oh yes. I'm just gonna sit here for now, just because I'm like.
Ooh.
I'm hungry. Ooh, that's good. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Me sitting down, not my backpack. Oh.
Sorry. Oh. I did something wrong. I don't know what. That will probably give me a negative number. I'll come back and look on that.
That'll be good.
All right.
That's really high. Really negative.
All right. We'll just skip on along to number 4.
Okay.
Okay. So for A, I got AN wild type. Yeah, wild type. BR FR. And then, sorry, what was that?
FR?
FR?
Or is it F?
Oh, it's just F. Oh, sorry.
I don't know what an FR is. Okay.
Sorry, I don't know why I put FR. That's weird. Okay. Oh, no. So it was AN wild BR-F, and then AN BR wild F wild.
Okay, I got that too. And then for
Okay.
B, I got BR F AN wild. And then I got BR wild, F wild, and AN.
See, we got it again, but backwards.
That's okay, as long as we get the right numbers in the right places, right?
Yep.
Okay, so what'd you get for your BR to F or F to BR?
F to BR, I got 19. And let me guess, you got 5.
I got 5.1 and then 19 for the other one.
Yep.
I will not understand this. At this point in time, I do not understand it.
What'd
And
you get? Inference value.
48.4.
Yep.
That
No,
is a judge dropped the pencil because we get the same
Airbender?
appearance value.
It's like one.
Appearance value, and we have the same like everything else except for the linkage map.
Mm-hmm. Oh. All right.
Okay, number 5.
Number 5. So this is the one I did with the tutor, and we got A and B. So we got big A, big B, big A, little b, little a, big B, and then little a, little b.
Okay, so you just do a cross with those two.
Yeah, and then we said they all had like a 1/4 chance.
Okay.
And then for the second one, I did it's either big A, big B, or little a, little b.
Okay. Because they're connected, they're linked on the chromosome, right? Is that?
Yeah. So it's either one or you can't do it.
You can't do it any other way.
Mm-hmm. And they have 1/2 chance for each.
Okay.
Okay, and then this is where we got confused.
Okay, I might be able to help.
All right, so we weren't sure about this because if A and B are on the same allele,
Is linked to B. A is linked to B.
my thinking was that it was going to come out little a, big B, and little b, big A. That was my thinking, but I'm not sure.
A is linked to B, and A is linked to B. What are the genotypes of the gametes produced by the cell of crossing over occurs between them? But wouldn't that mean they just swapped them?
Maybe. Like, I don't know if she's saying cross, like, it's just A that crosses and it's just B that crosses, or is it the whole?
So would it be? So the big A and the big B are together; they're linked, right? And then the little A and the little B are linked together on a. This is just me thinking out loud.
Mm-hmm.
So that's happened, and then when they cross over, would the little A get connected to the big B and the big A connected to the little B?
I think so.
Something like that?
Something like that. So it's a little A with a little B.
Does that make sense? Because, I mean, if that's the case, that's the only thing they could swap over.
Sorry, say your answer one more time.
So this is just me thinking, looking at what you did up there. And so if the big A is connected to the big B on a chromosome,
Yeah.
the little A and the little B is connected on a chromosome, and you're crossing over. So I was just thinking that the A's would switch places.
Oh, so
So it would be little A, big B, instead of, and then big A, little B.
That sounds right.
I hope so. I have no idea.
Okay, so it was big A, little b, and then little b, big A.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I'm guessing. And of course she's going to grade number 5 because I don't know.
Yeah. All right, and that would have like a 1/2 chance as well.
Yeah, because those are the only options that they have.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then for D, so it's the same situation. A is linked to B and A is linked to B. Suppose that the map distance between the AA alleles and the BB alleles is 7.8 MUs. So
Nice. Have you watched that movie called Dark Crystal? Huh. Have you heard of it?
frequency of each of the gametes produced by the cell described in part C. How do you find
What? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
So how do you find the frequency if you have the mu value?
I don't know because it's. Let's see. It's
Isn't that the one you find right before you find the mu value? The frequency?
so it would be. Crap! I'm just blanking on what the MV value. So it's the MV value. We use the double crossovers.
Yeah, so it has a double crossover in there.
Okay, and the double.
So the double crossover would just return it to its original, wouldn't it, on this one?
I don't know. That's one I was like super confused on.
There's only two alleles. So if there's a double crossover, would it just switch it back to its original?
I would think so, but what would be the frequency of each gamete? I don't. I don't know how to answer this one because it's weird. It doesn't give us like numbers that we would need to put it in the equation.
Like there's no nothing other than, oh, by the way, there's 7.8 MUs between them. Well, switch the MUs back to the frequencies or vice versa because there's no other information.
Yeah, I don't know how to answer this one.
Yeah. I might just email her and be like, can you just write out all, like, because sometimes when she emails us or gives us the answer key, she just gives us the answers and not the process, how she got there.
Yeah.
I wish she put the process on there. That's like my one thing. Like, okay, I know I'm wrong, but I don't know what
I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, that's one thing I'm going to email her about because I don't know. So, let's just, take the best whack at it we can. I don't know.
I think we should just call it at.
I'll go back and figure out number 3 before I turn mine in. But then, yeah, I think we should just turn in what we have and email her about it because it's not due till tomorrow, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna let's just call it right here and then email her about those questions and then we can.
Yeah. So do you want to email her and then just forward me the email she sends back, or do you want me to email her and then forward to you?
Either one, I don't care.
Okay. Could you email her this time?
Okay, fine, I'll email her.
Okay. And so we have questions about the linkage values. The linkage.
Yeah. How we're supposed to have the map set up.
Mm-hmm.
And
all of number 5. And then number 3, the second part with the not having the data there.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So number 3, not having data, the gene order, if it matters.
The linkage maps.
And the linkage maps. Okay.
And then number 5.
Yeah. I will definitely email her about that.
The only questions I have on it. And then we can go over the practice problem so you can see.
Okay, let me stop the broadcast real fast so that way it's not going to